I'm Miles from SolarTops, here with another frequently asked questions video. This video's topic is understanding the manufacturer's warranty. In this video, we will discuss the various manufacturer's warranties that typically come with your solar system, so you have a better understanding on how to get the best coverage for your needs. Product warranty. This warranty will cover any defects in materials or workmanship while the product is being made. Different manufacturers will have different warranties on their products, so be sure to check what brands your installation company is using. Some manufacturers will only cover their product for 5 years, while others will cover it for 25 years or more. Performance warranty. Solar panels are best understood in terms of how much energy they will produce over time. This warranty covers the performance levels of your panels. Solar panels experience a process known as degradation, where they produce slightly less energy each year they are in operation. You'll want to know how much energy your panels will produce in the first year and how much capability they will lose in the year thereafter. Inverter warranty. You want to be sure your inverter system lasts as long as your solar panels. SolarTops partners with industry-leading companies like Enphase and SolarEdge, who offer coverage ranging from 25 years to 12 years respectively. Batteries. As energy storage becomes more prominent, it's important to understand their warranty terms. Most batteries come with a standard 10-year warranty, which reflects a start to end date of the battery, determined by a set number of discharge cycles. Like the performance warranty for panels, as we mentioned before, batteries come with a capacity retention warranty, which measures the ability of a battery to retain stored energy while it is not being used. Be sure you know what your batteries are capable of doing before adding them to your system. That's the basics for manufacturer's warranties. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website or read our blog about warranties.